How to log in into the FedEx Employee Self-Service Portal. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in FedEx login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to the website option, fedex.com. You will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials of your account. So go ahead and type in the user ID, then type in the password. If you want to save your login info, check in for this option. Remember my user ID. If you have forgotten the password or user ID, click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on login. Just for that, you will be logged into your account. In the case you haven't created your account yet, click on this option of create a user ID and register for your account. Well, this way you can easily log in into the FedEx Employee Self-Service Portal. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.